Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 23, Linear Equations in Two Variables, Section B, Tough. Let's start. Places M and N are 90 kilometers apart from each other on a national highway. A truck starts from M and another from N at the same time. If they go in the same direction, then they meet in 9 hours. If they go in the opposite direction, then they meet in 9 upon 7 hours. Then the speed of the trucks are, here, problem is simple. M and N, 90 kilometers apart. Okay. Now they go in same direction, they meet in 9 hours. Now when will they meet? Suppose if you and your friend start traveling in the same direction after some distance in between. When will you meet? You will meet when your speed is greater than that of the friend who is in front of you. Only then you will meet. It means logically M and N, these trucks will meet only if the speed of M is greater than the speed of N, right? Okay. Now condition number 2. If they go in the same direction, then they'll if they go in the opposite direction, they'll meet in the 9 upon 7 hours. Okay. So 9 hours in the same direction, opposite direction, 9 upon 7 hours. So let the speed of M truck be X and N truck be Y. So M is greater than N, right? So as they meet in the direction of N, condition 1 we are following, same direction. X is greater than Y, that's why they are meeting. So net speed is what? X minus Y. So time equals to 9 hours. Now speed and time. So distance equals to speed into time. So 9 into X minus Y, net speed. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.